Writing a privacy page for your website is an important step in protecting your customers' personal information and data. A privacy page is a written statement that outlines the type of information collected by a website, how the information is used, and how the user can opt out of any data collection. It is a legal document and must be written clearly and accurately. Before you begin writing your privacy page, it is important to understand the requirements of your jurisdiction. Different countries and states have different laws on how data is collected and used, and your privacy page must reflect those laws. Once you have a good understanding of the laws, you are ready to start writing. Here are some tips to help you write a successful privacy page. The first step is to clearly explain what information is being collected and why. Be as thorough as possible and list all the types of information that are collected, including any third-party services that might be used. It's important to also explain how the information is used. Make sure to list all the ways the information is used, such as for marketing, research, or internal operations. When outlining the user rights, make sure to include information about the right to access, edit, delete, and opt out of any data collection. If there is any kind of data sharing, explain who the data is shared with and why. Finally, it's important to include contact information for any questions or concerns, as well as a link to the full privacy policy. Writing a privacy page for your website doesn't have to be complicated. With these tips, you can create a comprehensive and accurate document that protects your customers' data and ensures compliance with the laws. I've included a sample template in the description that you can use as a starting point for your own privacy page.